This was me in my 20s. This was me in my 30s. And this was my recent years. Hi, my name is Delphine. I am in the mid-40s. I'm 5'2" in height and 104 pounds in weight. During my two pregnancies 20 years ago, I was around 125 pounds. Other than that, I have kept my average weight of 105 pounds in the past 28 years. Today, I can still wear my clothes in my 20s. So what's my secret? I will share them with you in a moment. But before that, let's look at 3 unforgivable mistakes in weight loss that everyone makes. Mistake number 1, high-intensity workout. You might have heard that you will gain weight if you lack exercise. Most fitness and weight loss coaches will tell you to do high-intensity workouts to burn fat. What exercise are high-intensity training, aka HIIT? Fast running, speed bicycling, jumping jack, speed squatting, Tabata training, and so on. So any boot camp exercise that causes faster heart beating, panting, or excessive sweating in a short time is a high-intensity training. During high-intensity workout, your body consumes way more energy than usual, which adds a lot of pressure on your heart, lungs, and overall system. Even if you are strong and healthy, HIIT can be damaging to your health in the long run. After age 40, after such workout, if you often feel exhausted, want to lay down to rest, or get sleepy during the day, you'd better avoid it. Did you know that many athletes have poorer health and they age faster than ordinary people? Because when they were young, they went through excessive high-intensity training, which later took a toll on their health. After workouts, you might feel that you have become smaller. It's not because you burn fat. Most of the time, it reduces the water stored in between the fat tissues. And oversweating after a workout causes electrolyte loss and breaks your inner balance, which will cause other troubles down the road. Mistake number 2, eat less food. Do you recall when you were young, you had food twice as much as you do today? And you might also take more candies, pizzas, and other junk food than you have today. But you were not fat. Have you noticed after age 40, you can quickly grow fat, even if you don't eat much? If your system cannot fully digest food, the mid-product of digestion will be stored in your body as fat, even if you take healthy food. Do you realize this? The problem is not food if you eat healthily but still can't lose weight. It is your metabolism, because when you age, your metabolism efficiency is reduced. Your system cannot completely break down food into qi. In other words, if you have an efficient metabolism, your body will less likely to accumulate fat, because all food has been fully turned into qi. When you have abundant qi, you won't look big, because qi takes no physical space, and your body and mind will function at their best. But if you take less food without improving your metabolism, your whole system will lack even more qi, which inhibits your metabolism. That's why when you eat less food, you might lose some weight, but you will feel very tired all the time. So, your body needs enough energy to deal with work and daily life. Naturally, you will return to your regular diet. then you gain weight again. It's an endless cycle. Eating less food for a long time will suffocating your health. So what's the third weight loss mistake? And what's my secret of keeping fit for the past 3 decades? I will share them in my next video.